Good morning, everyone. It is Friday and it's supposed to rain this weekend, so I went to the garden shop just to get some more starters because there's a lot of filler space, a lot of empty space that I can put some plants in, and I wanted to get those in before it rained. So let's take a look. But first, I also want to give you a little tour. Look at our fennel. We also have some caterpillars all in there. I'm 5'2" and clearly so much taller than me. We have the cabbage. Tomatoes are growing great. Some baby tomatoes popping up. I put in new basil. I've been harvesting away the arugula. Our chamomile is also doing wonderful, and so are our strawberries. We have some more cabbage, which I'm gonna be harvesting soon. Not so pretty. Look at this one too. This one's pretty firm, so I need to take that one out. We have about 11 bell peppers in here, and our kale over there is going great. I have some tomatillos in there. I did take out the one kale in the middle, and I harvested a ton, and then I added cucumber, some what's it called, like those green onions. Why am I forgetting the name of it? I added those there, and then I added a ton of them in here too. And there's tomato, a lot of jalapenos in here, which, let's see, we have one right there. I have, yeah, a lot of lettuce. I harvested some broccoli, some more chamomile. Everything's going great. And then cucumber, I'm just letting it go wild. More dill. Did I call the other one fennel? I meant dill if I called it fennel. So pretty, right? I harvested some and I gave it to our Bible study last night. More cucumbers. So garlic is a great companion for tomatoes. So I have a baby one right here, but I also have a garlic and a tomato right there. We have lots of tomatoes just because in case one fails, I have other backups. So that's my little theory with this. And again, garlic goes great with tomatoes. I've noticed the difference between the tomatoes that have garlic near it and not. We have cilantro, another tomato. Look at the baby ones. Herbs. See, this one's kind of yellowish, but I took away some leaves yesterday. I'm hoping I'll do good. These are like cherry tomatoes. Some more herbs, and I'm hoping they'll just like cascade over. Fennel. This is fennel right here. Garlic, tomatoes. Look how beautiful that is. Gardens are living art, in my opinion. So that's it. We do have watermelon and cantaloupe growing as well. I'm trying to take advantage of every little space, and I know I'm in over my head because when everything's vining out and maturing, it's gonna take up a lot of space, but it's okay, we're having fun.